Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the headlights on Audi A4 B7. The headlights are held by three bolts, but one of them is hidden behind the front bumper. So in order to get access to that bolt and remove the headlights, first we need to remove the front bumper. In order to remove the front bumper, we need to remove the two wheel arch liners. In order to remove the wheel arch liners, first we're going to remove the two front wheels. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the two wheel arch liners, and then we're going to bring the wheel arch liners to the back so that we get access to the bolts holding the front bumper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we'll remove the bolts holding the front bumper here on the side. There's two nuts right there that we need to remove. These are the two nuts right there, and it's the same on the other side. Two nuts on the other side. On the other side, they're behind the windscreen washer tank. In between that hole right there, the two nuts. And as the nuts on holding the bumper on both sides removed, next we're going to remove the engine under tray and any bolts holding the front bumper to the chassis. In my case, the engine under tray is removed, so there's nothing to remove underneath. Now we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. That's one bolt right there. That's the second bolt. Third bolt is right there. Now that we've removed all the bolts, we're going to pull out the bumper, and it should come out fairly easily. There might be some electrical connectors that might need to be disconnected, depends on the model that you have. If you have parking sensors, there will be electrical connectors, or if you have those halogen lights as well. Next, we're going to remove the two headlights. The headlights are held by three bolts. One of them is right there that we need to remove, and there is another two. One of them is right there, and one on the rear that we need to only loosen so that we can pull out the headlight. That's the third bolt right there. You need a long extension to get to it. You don't need to remove it completely, just loosen it so that we can pull out the headlight. It's the same as the other bolt that's here on the left. Once the two bolts are loosened and the top bolt removed, we can pull out the headlight, and there is an electrical connector that we need to remove, and then we can take out the headlight. Next, I'll show you the two bolts that we only loosened. That's the one that we removed, and that's the two bolts that we only loosened. And afterwards, when we put the headlight in its place, we just tighten it. In order to remove this headlight, first we need to remove this air intake pipe, because it's in our way to get to the third bolt. That's the third bolt right there. So two bolts need to be loosened on the two sides and the top bolt removed. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.